Morning students, let's go for the next problem. It is also related to tender quotation problem. It is the most repeated question. See that the Bharat Engineering Company manufactures and sold 1000 machines in 2015. Following are the particulars obtained from the records of the company. So what is the number of units? 1000 machines. For that, they are given information: cost of material, we'll take it to prime cost. Wages paid, that is also direct expenses, we'll take it to the prime cost. Manufacturing expenses given, directly we can take it as a factory overheads. Next, they're given salary. Salary is related to administrative overheads. Rent, rates, and insurance related to administrative overheads. Selling expenses related to sales and distribution. General expenses, again it is related to administration. So manufacturing expenses related to factory, they given directly. Selling expenses, they given directly. Only for administrative expenses they are given three items, that is salary, rent and rates, and insurance, general insurance. Then sales is given. So old cost sheet we can prepare with this information. Let's see the adjustment. The company plans to manufacture 1200 machines. So earlier it is given for 1000 machine. Now additional unit of machine production is another 200 is increased. Okay, 1000, now it is 1200. So 200 is increased in the year 2016. You are required to show the statement showing the price at which machine would be sold, as to show the profit on the selling price. So we have to find out what is the selling price along with the profit. See the adjustments. First point, price of material will rise by 20% over previous year level. In the previous problems, material wages, direct material and direct wages amount they given in the problem. But here for that also they are given adjustment. It is increased by 20% compared to the previous year. Wages rate will rise by 5%. So both are increased, 20% material, 5% of wages. See the third adjustment, important adjustment. Manufacturing expenses will rise in proportion to the combined cost of material and wages. So proportion to the combined cost of how much percentage of material increase and how much percentage of wages increase. According to that, we have to find out what is the manufacturing expenses. While doing the working note, I'll show that how to calculate. Selling expenses per unit will remain unchanged. Clearly they mention selling expenses per unit. Per unit column is there. So per unit is same related to previous year what we taken. Same per unit will be taken, but amount will changes because selling is the variable. Selling is the variable. How we prepare in the flexible variable it is. So it should be multiplied. Other expenses will remain unaffected. Other expenses means they not mention per unit, then it is an amount. So manufacturing expense they given adjustment, selling they given adjustment, other expenses which is the administrative expenses, amount is remained unchanged. Then which is changes per unit will change because the total production is 1200 units. Okay, so that also we have to calculate per unit separately in the statement itself. Okay, first we'll do the old cost sheet. And one more point you have to remember, in the previous problems we have applied the formulas like percentage of factory on direct wages, percentage of administrative and selling and distribution on the factory cost. That those formulas need not to apply in this problem because each item they are given separate adjustment. If they're not given any adjustment to the factory, administrative, and selling, then we have to go for applying the formula to calculate the percentage. Then we can go for preparing the tender or quotation estimation statement. But in this problem, for each department, manufacturing, factory overheads, they are given adjustment. Selling, they have given adjustment. Administrative, they have given adjustment. No need to apply the formulas. According to the adjustment, with that help itself, we can ascertain the values for the overheads. So, which are the overheads? Indirect expense, factory overheads, administrative, and selling. For that, okay, remember, if the adjustment given, we need not to apply the formula. If there no adjustment given, only for material wages adjustment given, then also we have to apply the formula. Okay, let's go for doing the problem. Okay, material total value 80,000 divided by 1000. Material 80,000. If you divide by 1000, you'll get 80 is the per unit. Direct wages 1,20,000 divided by 1000, 120. Take total 2 lakh 200. Prime cost. It is the prime cost. Add factory overheads. That is manufacturing expenses. 50,000. 50 is the unit. Manufacturing expenses. Total 2,50,000. 250 is the per unit. Factory cost plus administrative overheads. Salaries, rent and rates, general expenses. So amount 60,000, 10,000, 20,000. This total is 90,000. For all together, total we have taken. For this total, we have to find out the unit 90. Cost of production 3,40,000, 340 plus selling and distribution overheads, selling expenses 30,000, 30 is the unit. So 3,70,000, 330, 70 is the total cost. In this, add profit. Profit is not given, but sales is given in the problem. That is 4 lakh. Divided by 1000 means 400. Now take the difference. Difference would be taken as a profit. 30,000, 30. 30,000 and 30 is the profit. Now we completed the first cost sheet. Okay. Now we'll go for the estimation. Now we'll do the problem estimation for 1,200 units. First we'll take the material. Related to material, they have given adjustment. The whole material rate is 80 plus 20%. Plus 20%, you'll get 96. 80% plus 20%, you'll get 96. 96 into 1,200, you'll get 1,15,200. So first, from the old material value, we have to increase 20%. We should not take the amount, we have to take the rate. 80 is the rate plus 20%. If we do, you will get 96. Direct wages is 120 plus 5%. Plus 5%, you will get 126 into 1,200. 126 into 1,200, 1,51,200. 1,51,200. Take the total 2,66,400, 2,220. That is the prime cost. That is the prime cost. Add factory overheads, that is manufacturing expenses. So related to manufacturing expenses, adjustment is saying it is a combined cost of material and wages. So what is the combined cost? How much it is increased? See that material is 96 now, wages is 126. If I add together, we have to calculate. Okay, so 96 plus 126 equals to 222. For this we require a rate. So already we have manufacturing units in the old cost sheet, we have 50 divided by how much increase now? 200. So 50 divided by 200 into 222. If you multiply, you'll get 55.5. 55.5 into 1200. 55.5 into 1200 will get 66,600. Take this total 3,33,277.50. That is the factory cost. With this, add administrative overheads. Again, it is have three items: salary. Amounts are unchanged, so expenses are unchanged. Salary, rent 10,000, general expenses 20,000. This total 90,000, but per unit will change because we are producing for 1,200 units. 90,000 divided by 1,200. 90,000 divided by 1,200, you will get 75. If we take a total, you'll get cost of production. That cost of production total is 4,23,352.5. 352.5. Add selling and distribution overheads 36,000. Sorry. For selling and distribution overheads per unit will remain. So 30 is the unit. 30 into 1,200. 30 into 1,200 will get 36,000. Take the total 4,59,000. 382.50 total cost. Add profit, sales. Profit information also, sales information not given, but profit information says that it is 10% on selling price, but we don't know the selling price. So 10% is nothing but 10 by 100 on sales. 10 by 100 on sales or 1 by 10. To simplify, 10 and 1 time 100, 10 times. So 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 on sales means 1 by 9 on cost, because we have cost. So we can calculate 4,59,000 into 1 by 9. This conversion table you have learned already, I think, in advanced financial accounting also. So 1 by 10 on sales means it is 1 by 9 on cost. So how much you will get? 51,500. 42.50. Add together 5,10,000 is the sales, 425 is the selling price. Thank you.